Hi guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and guess what came today? My Julep box. So I'm going to share with you guys what came in this box. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month, stick around. As always, guys, you know the box comes packaged really pretty. It has their saying on the top, and the boxes I received this month, I'm going to let you. And here are the boxes I received this month. I got the, I'm not going to say that, konjac case. I hope I said that right. I got some lip balm and some facial milk. So if you give me a minute, I'll open the boxes and show you guys what they look like. Okay, here's the case here, guys. It's basically here to keep the sponge I already have. So it'll stay in there and stay hydrated, and it won't shrink up and dry out before it's time. The next thing I got was the lip balm, and it's called, oh, I can't even see the name, Fuchsia Berry Cream. And guys, it's a pretty color. Okay, I tried it. Here's a sample here, a swatch of it on my hand. I tried it last night to see how it looked, and guys, it's a very pretty color. I like the way it looked on me, and it has a moisturizing cream in the middle that you see that white dot. So it's kind of like a moisturizer. So it's really good on the lips, very soft. Then next, what I purchased was some facial milk. Now I want to try everything. I want to try with the other face cleaner that I have from them to see if what this does with my skin. This is to use, massage 1-2 drops into your face after cleaning. So I'm gonna try this and see how it does, guys, and I'll let you guys know how this does. I'm trying to get their whole system so I can try all of it. But you know, when you do things on a budget, and this box only allows you to get so much at a time. So I think I have just about all of it now. So I am going to do, I'm going to try all of it. I'm going to let you guys see me try it and get my reaction to using all this facial product from Julep. So guys, if you're interested in the Julep products, you can look on the link down in my bio. I have a link down there where you can go and look at all the other things they have to offer. If you enjoyed my short video on my unboxing of my Julep products, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, guys. I like to read your comments. And if you're not a member already of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button down below. We would love to have you in the family. Also, guys, there's a bell next to it. Click that bell twice. That bell will notify you every time I upload a video. And guys, I can also be followed on my other social media accounts. So, as I always say, guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.